Verse 37 of the 9th chapter, Gospel of Matthew, Jesus is remarking to his disciples concerning the fact that there is a great need for workers and a great scarcity of those who do this. This follows on Matthew's comment that Jesus was moved with compassion at all of the people who were coming to him, and so he makes this well-known remark. We have tota, indeclinable adverb, means then. Lege, third person singular present active indicative, he says. From lego, I say. Tois, mathetais. Indirect object, the dative, masculine, plural. He says to the disciples. Autou, the possessive pronoun, genitive singular masculine, so he says to the disciples of him. Ho, the article, masculine, singular, nominative. Therismos, from therismos, which means a harvest or crop. It's a singular. Men inserted here means roughly in English. On the one hand, it's a little too cumbersome to translate all the time, but that's the idea. So the harvest is polus, from polus, pole, polu. Adjective means much or many, depending on the context. So the harvest or the crop is great, extensive, numerous would be the idea. The de, which tends to go along with the men, means on the other hand. Hoi, the plural now, article, masculine, plural, nominative. Ergate, or ergatai, from ergates, declined like mathetes or prophetes. So it's a masculine noun of the first declension. So the workers, based on the root erg, which of course is ergeto and related words, means work. The workers, oligoi, the opposite of polus, oligoi, oligos, means few, as in oligarch or something like that. So he says this to his disciples, that there is a great and extensive opportunity for ministry, but the workers in the crops, metaphorically speaking, are few. This, of course, has been one of the great inspirational verses behind the missionary effort, that there's a great harvest out there, and we need more that would go out and proclaim the gospel as the good news is spread throughout the world, and that seems to be inspired by statements like this in the New Testament.